Hello traders, welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Akinla Kine, I am the lead instructor. So guys, concerning this strategy I drop on Crash 1000 on how to scalp Boom and Crash using the MFI indicator and RSI. You know, RSI indicator and the MFI. MFI is an volume indicator. You understand? So I got a comment on how to use the strategy for boom market. You understand? So a lot of people even go ahead and try it with boom, and they came back to me that it doesn't work on boom. You understand? There's something I always said, that when someone tells you to do something, you understand? So ask the person for what you should not do, because knowing what to not do is as important as knowing what to do. You get that point? So now I'm telling you that this strategy like this doesn't work on boom. You understand? So that is why I come up on this video to make the modification to this strategy so that it can be suitable to trade boom. So I've looked out for the whole market. I've done my back testing on boom. I see that this strategy will give you the loss result more than the profit when using it like this. So that is why we have to modify it to suit the boom. So guys, what do we need to do to make this strategy work for boom 1000 and other boom market? So it's a very simple thing. What we are going to do is just to make some adjustment to the relative strength index. You understand? For the sake of people that doesn't watch the yesterday video and watch the previous video on this strategy on how to use it to trade crash, let me quickly brief explain that. You understand? So if you have known this strategy very well, you watch the previous video, you can skip this session. So for the sake of people that did not watch the video, let me quickly go through the strategy one more time so that you can have the experience of what we are saying. This strategy, the MFI, I say, is a volume indicator which tells the trader when the market gets to overbought and oversold region, just like the RSI indicator. You understand? So now this strategy is that when this MFI gets to the level 90 of RSI, you understand, you patiently wait for a spike to happen. Once a spike happens, you buy immediately. You place your buy and catch your 5 candle and assist the market. You wait for market to come to this 90 region, then you patiently wait. You see this, that the price come to the 90 region. You know how many minutes you used to wait like this before spike happen. Then after a long waiting, the spike happen, you buy immediately after the spike from here. You understand? This is where you buy. So just count your 5 candle and assist the market. Now with this explanation, so we carry the same knowledge to boom market. We have to turn it upside down now. We are using level 90 for crash markets. So now the boom, we have to use level 10. That is when the spike happen from the level 10. Let's say this is the level 10. When the spike happen, count your 5 candle. Can see that it works in some times. So, and if you also look at some aspects, you will see that it doesn't work. Okay, fine. Let's see here. The spike happened here. You see, spike continues to happen. Though if you are smart enough, you may be able to get your 5 candle. You can see here the spike happen, just 3, another spike happen. So I see that with this on boom, it is very risky. You can see that the spike continues to happen. So how do we use this strategy to trade the boom market? Go back to the where the indicator is, click on the RSI, the relative strength index, go to the level, add one level to it, which is level 50. Then click on save. After that, go back to your chart. Now we have one level, which is level 50. Now, how do we use this strategy now? We have modified the settings now. So when the markets come to the level 10, which indicate the oversold for the MFI and the RSI, you understand? The level 10 represents indicate the oversold that traders are tired for selling, like the sellers are getting out of the market. They are creating a chance for the buyers to. As we know that when the market gets to the oversold region, the buyers are ready to buy, while some sellers are ready to close their profit. That is where we take the opportunity. And once we know that when the market is in downtrend, you understand. So when some sellers, once they sell at the oversold region, they wait for pullback and then sell again. That is where we enter. So we can see that the sellers are selling from here. You see that the market come to the 10 level, which is the oversold region. The spike happened, but the spike didn't get to the level 50, which indicates a strong trend for us. You understand? So with that psychology, we join the sellers, count our own 5 candle, we assist the trade. So now the reason why the 50 level is there is that any spike that happen that doesn't break the level 50, that's a valid signal for you. You know, on the crash, we don't use any level. When the spike happen at the level 90, we buy immediately. But at the boom now, we are using the level 50. You understand? Just like a security, or let's say bulletproof for ourselves. You understand? So to filter the original signal from the fake signals. So when a spike happen and doesn't get to level 50, or it stop at level 50, we count our 5 candle and assist the trade. So that is how these strategies work now. So you can see with this spike happen, this is it on the chart. So you sell from this place, count your 5 candle and assist. So guys, this is how this strategy works for boom market. Now go to your chart, do some back testing with this strategy. Now I have modified the strategy for you to suitable for boom market. Now you should be able to trade the boom and crash with this strategy. I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.